This old guy DIY video has to do with cost-effective alternatives to the little fiber washer that's in the bottom of the lower unit on various outboards. This one is a 1994 Force by Mercury. It has these fiber washers. I'm not near town. I don't have any fiber washers available. So I go to replace this thing. I found an O-ring that appears to be the same size as the washer that I'm going to use as the seal. So I have this little Harbor Freight O-ring kit. You can see right down there the one I'm using is A110. It says it's 3/8 by 9/16 by 3/32, and it fits just fine over the little plug. And when we come up here to the hole in the lower unit, the O-ring ends up captured so it can't squirt out the sides. So I think it's going to be just fine. So that's what I'm going to use today. Cost-effective solution to not having to either run to town or spend $3 or $4 a piece on these little fiber gaskets. And I hope this idea helps you, and have a great day.